All right, so this is the problem out of the homework, y'all. The question was, how do I do the graph? So let's go ahead and see if we can figure out the problem here. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and let me board here. Let me upload that picture. Okay, so the question here is saying, can we find or type the center radius form of the equation of a circle? And the answer is we can. So remember, the form that I'm looking for, y'all, is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center of my circle is always given to me in the points h and k. And in this case, the center we have is a -2 and a 0. So that's what that's telling me, y'all, is that h is the number -2 and k is 0. So I'm going to write my form. I'm going to write x minus a -2, because that's my h squared, plus y minus k, which happens to be 0, squared equals the radius being squared. The radius in this case is 7, so it's going to be 7 squared. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this. Instead of minus and minus, I can make that plus. So x plus 2 squared. Y minus 0 is just y, and that's still being squared. And 7 squared, y'all, is 49. So this right here is exactly what I'm going to type right there. So x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 49. So look, let me come back here. And okay, I need to do parentheses. So I'm doing this on my iPad, y'all, so if it looks different from what you have, it's probably just because I'm doing it on an iPad. X plus, let's see, 2. Do that. I got to square this thing here. Okay, and then let's see, what do we have after that? A plus. So I got to get to my plus, let's see, y squared, okay, equals, in this case, 49 is what we had. Okay, so I'm going to check my answer. Boom, we got it. Okay, now it's going to ask me to do the graph. So when I click on the graph here, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the little circle button. So if you look over here on the right side, it's in the second column, the third one down. There's my circle button. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the center of my circle. If you look up here, let me take a screenshot so you can see what I'm looking at. If you look at, here we go, right here, my center of the circle is -2, 0. So from the middle, I'm going to plot my first point, right there. And then since the radius is 7, I'm going to move 7 either up or down or left or right. Doesn't really make any difference. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you what I mean by doing this, okay? So let me come back to my problem. -2, 0 is right there. Then I said I was going to go either up 7, down 7, left 7, right 7. It doesn't matter which one you do. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whether I went up, left, down, or right, I was still going to get the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to hit save. I'm going to check it, and we got it right. Okay, so that's how you do the little circle thing on MyLab. All right, if y'all got questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.